In this tutorial, we'll pair the 6 zones connection box to the central unit. On the central unit, go to the menu. Press and hold the installation menu icon until it jumps to the installation menu. Now press RF initialisation in the menu. Go to Heating. The 6 zones connection box should be paired to an empty room. You will now see this message. Press the green check mark. Now put the connection box in RF mode. Put the connection box into RF mode by pressing the OK button until Zone 1 starts flashing red. Go to the required zone. Then press OK again. All zones are now flashing red. Now press RF initialisation on the central unit. Name the linked connection box. Confirm by pressing the green check mark. To name the rooms, press Create House. Press the keyboard. Remove the old name and give the room a name, for example, Kitchen. Confirm by pressing the green check mark. To name a second room, move to the next room using the arrow key. Press the keyboard. Remove the old name and give the space a name, for example, Hall. Confirm by pressing the green check mark. Return to the main menu by pressing the X.